So your customer wants a style that you know is not going to do them any good. How do you guide them through a selection process to come up with the best style for them? Understand body shapes. Everyone has a unique body that can be categorized in different forms. Make sure you know the different body shapes and you know the styles that fit best on a body type. Always have loads of options. Offer them options. When you offer people options, it will be easier for them to make a switch from one style to another. Learn to sketch. It will be very, very helpful for you as a fashion designer if you can sketch. It may just be a basic drawing, but make sure you can represent whatever design you want to present to your customer in a form that can convey the design to them easily. Have an open mind. Be adaptable. Don't be rigid. Remember, you are dealing with a human being, and give them that benefit of doubt when you are discussing on an issue that you don't both see eye to eye. Have loads of patience. When you are dealing with clients, patience is a virtue that you need to cultivate. Always be patient with your customers. Learn to disagree without being disagreeable. If at the end of the day you cannot both agree on a particular style, always leave an open door for your customer to come back to you in the future. And I hope this helps someone.